Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to separate numbers and letters in Microsoft Excel. So here I already have a product ID with letters and also numbers in it, and I want to separate only the numbers into this column. So what you need to do to make it easy is first you need to write the first number. So instead of write it one by one, you can just write the first number only. So I'm going to click on the first number like this, and then after that at the next cells or next row, just click on Control plus E letter. So Control and E, and it will be automatically filled like this for the rest of the numbers. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye!